First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth's on, and then we go to the audio system, and you've got menu on the top right hand there. Click menu and telephone configuration there. So we'll click telephone. Please pair telephone in BT menu, search. So we're watching out at the bottom, and then we click search. Hands-free, and then it's changed to BMW 24286. So we'll click on that, and here we've got external device ready, help, reject or add. So we click add. We've now got to put a code in, so I'll go for 0000, and then we have to click OK at the end there. 0000 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, but you would, so you'll be clicking allow and don't allow for me. And it's let's see, it's connected there right at the top, and it's showing connected down here. That's it, easy system, and that's it done.